Howdy! It's been a hot minute. I am sorry that it's been so long since I've made a video, but life has been crazy and I was having issues with my video editing software, so that's where I've been. I come to you with no makeup on because it is time to show you guys my updated studio, or office, whatever you want to call it. I have had this room, this designated room in the house that I live in for a year now, and it's never really been super comfortable because I wanted to do things to it that I couldn't do on my own. My parents came to visit last week for 4 days, and they were very kind and helped me, wow, my arm's getting real tired, helped me redo and like renovate this room, which was so nice of them. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like now that it's pretty darn comfortable. It is not 100% finished yet. There's still a couple of other things I need to figure out and get organized, but I just can't do yet. I will explain. But this room is much better now. So we put up all my fan art, which is a lot. Some of it even needed to be like framed, and we got frames for them, which was very nice. We put up some shelving, which I had originally not thought of, but my lovely husband and my lovely father decided shelving would be a good idea, and that was very smart because it is really nice in this space. There's not a lot of storage in this space, so that was really helpful. So I wanted to show you guys my studio in case you need inspiration if you are in a similar like smaller space and you sew or you craft or anything like that and you want to have extra storage or just feel more comfortable in your space. I hope this helps or inspires you, or you just want to see my space. Whatever, it all works. So we're gonna start off with the corner with the entryway. I wish my DSLR would zoom out a little bit. I am on the other side of my room and you can barely see the entire thing. So my mother was very nice and got me this lovely shoe organizer because my shoes were a hot mess and I just didn't have space for all of them. So that's been great. I also got these little like wooden boxes from Michael's to put some boots in. So those are my season 1 Vi boots. I have my Pit Fighter Vi boots. I have a random pair of boots that I'm using for Ciri from The Witcher. So that's really nice. And then hooks. Hooks for bags and jackets. I can't believe I didn't do that sooner. It's really nice having them in here. This bookshelf has lots of random stuff in it. I'm hoping to organize this one a little better. We'll see. That is a turntable down there with a couple of vinyls. That's my Cowboy Bebop, can't speak, soundtrack and some other stuff. I also have my backpack, my season 1 backpack replica that my friend Nana's Nobody made me when I got my season 1 cosplay from her. It's awesome. I love it. I take it to cons all the time. I have some acrylic paint. I have some fabric scraps. I have a bunch of thread. This is serger thread. Here, this is my wedding bouquet that's all dried out and wonderful. My mom made me these little felted pieces that are super cute. So I love those. This is a horse that was made by a friend of mine. My friend Betsy, aka Cosplay Chipmunk, made me these custom ducks, rubber ducks. I collect rubber ducks, so this is super cute. This is me and my husband. And then this is my lovely Kate Vi, as you guys know. Can't go wrong with a Kate Vi ducky. More of those little hearts. And then I have some like where the wild things are pictures. These are my old cat Lola's paw prints. When she passed away, we did that. And then when I guested at Metal Art Comic Con, they let me keep the banner, which is so nice of them. Can I focus? There we go. Maybe, possibly. Wow, this does not want to focus. Maybe. Oh well, we tried. But yeah, they did this banner for me and they let me keep it, so I hung it up because why not? The closet. I will go into the closet a tiny bit because there is some organizational stuff in there. I have a duster. We put these hooks up, and then I have a couple of hats. And then these up here are wig cases. That box of Boulder chips is filled with corsets. I have more shoes down here at the bottom. And then there's a cord right here. You may wonder why this cord is going into my closet. It's because there's a vacuum hooked up to it right there, which is so convenient. And then here we go into the art. There's me, hello. This is all done by, I believe her name is Mimi Maru, if I'm pronouncing that right. That's my little Kate Vi, and then biblically accurate Kate Vi is what I like to call these. It's so hard to see them with how they're, I wish I could just put them all together. That one up there was done by Tia, aka Spoony Spice. Down here is lots and lots of storage. The nice thing about this desk, which I need to move that monitor. My husband's taking that monitor from me, so ignore that. This work desk was given to me by my mother. It's hers. It's where I cut fabric and do patterns and stuff like that. Nice cutting mats there, lots of rulers, lots of straight edges. Down here, I have, that bin has some foam in it. Then I have my hot glue gun case. That is all fabric, and I need to go in and properly fold it, but it's all one piece, and it's really, really big, so I need to get assistance in folding it, but I thought I would just put it away for now. This box right here, let me move my chair so I can show you guys. Remember the thread and the like scrap fabric on the bookshelf over there? There's a really wonderful lady in my town who was retiring from sewing and wanted to give a ton of her sewing stuff away, and so I got my hands on it. She was so sweet, and she gave me this under the bed box that is chocked full. Can I open it? Urgh. Maybe, maybe not. That's blocking it a little bit. It is chock full of scrap fabric, of really fun, lots of different types of patterns. I am so grateful for her. She gave me so much, and really, really such a nice gift from her. I love this cutting mat, by the way. This is from Wawak. This was also from that lovely lady who gave me lots of sewing stuff. So we have some other tools and stuff here because there's some things we need to rehang. And here's where stuff gets really cool. This is a Build a Ladder poster that's really old merch from Eat Your Kimchi from like years ago. I got 2 Studio Ghibli art pieces that I got from Fan Expo Denver. And then, wow, the lighting here is so bad, I'm sorry. This is also from Fan Expo Denver. I wish I knew the artist who made this, but it's been 2 years. It is Kita from Atlantis. If you've never seen Atlantis, I cannot recommend it enough. It is my favorite, one of my all-time favorite movies, and Kita was like my first childhood crush. I love her. This is my dresser, which I also got on Facebook Marketplace. I have my brushes, I have my Vi Coke cans from years ago. I have some perfumes, some rocks, stuff like that. I have an arcane lamp right there. Wow, I can't make my camera focus. This is so annoying. These are the shelves that we put up, and I am obsessed with these. So I have my husband and I's bows. I have my gauntlets. There will be more wigs up here. These are just all the wig heads that I have. I have 3 more wig heads coming today. That is the crown, the flower crown that I wore when I got married. There is also storage in that box right there. That right there, that arcane box thing, that is the Fenty, the box that the Fenty and Arcane collection came in. And I kept it number 1 because it's really cool, but number 2 because that video of me swatching those lipsticks, or lip glosses, is my most viral video. It has 6.3 million views, so it is special to me. That IKEA fish bones, aka a blahage, which I know I'm saying wrong, but that's what I call it, is also from my friend Betsy. And then I got that little poutine from a free pile in my neighborhood. So that's cool. Okay, now we're gonna get to my desk. This is my desk. My desk is 2 IKEA Alex dressers, or desks, that I have smushed together. These typically only come with 2 dressers on each side, but I have 2 desks, one of which only has one of these sets of drawers, so I just put them together. By the way, that Witcher sword is going up on my wall above my window. We just haven't put it up yet. So my desk is really the main problem right now that I need to solve. Here's my arcane art book. Here's all my wonderful art. This is from Fan Expo Denver. Again, I wish I had, wow, the glare is so bad. I wish I had the artist name of this. If you know the artist, please let me know for any of these pieces, because it's been years and I've totally lost them. I don't want to give them credit. This is from somebody on Etsy. Again, cannot find them for the life of me. And these ones. These are from a woman in Ukraine, I believe, and she's wonderful. I cannot pronounce her name at all. I will put it somewhere right here. But she is incredible, and I love those pieces. And then this one, oh my god, I also can't remember her name, but I have her name in there in my phone because I follow her on Instagram. So I will find her and put her credit right there because I love this piece. My husband got this for me. I have a bunch of random skincare right there. I have a cat toy, my shaman sticker, or not sticker, I have a shaman sticker on my laptop, but my shaman stuffy, a Pokemon. I have a light up mirror. I have a bunch of other random crap basically, but my sewing machine is a Brother SE630. I love this thing. If you are looking for a sewing machine and you are a beginner, it is a really nice one because you can go from being a beginner like me, and it's really easy to grow and gain more skills with it. It is a really nice machine. It's very easy to navigate. Highly recommend. And then this ancient Bernina 2000 DE. This was my great-grandmother's. I don't know how old it is, but it's in really good condition. It still works really well, and I had it serviced recently, and the woman at the store who serviced it was really impressed. So she actually asked me, like, who owned this? And I said it was my great-grandmother's, and she was like, she took really good care of it. So that makes me really happy. Oh, this picture. Somebody, again, tell me who made this. Because my friend Tink gave this to me as a wedding gift, and I know I've seen it around the internet, but I don't know who the original artist is, so please help me find it. I got my iron here, and this little guy is a fidget that I just got. My mother got that for me, and a random camera battery. This little bag is all of my embroidery stuff and some other sewing stuff, like hand sewing stuff. But yeah, that's my entire room right now. And if you guys have any questions about anything or things that you do in your storage or for storage and stuff like that in your studio or office or whatever that you really like, drop them in the comments. I am happy to hear from you and answer your questions. I'm very happy with how this room came out. I'm very excited about it. It's been too long of waiting to get this going, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.